I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickle shots. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 ounces of chilled dill pickle juice for each shot. Next, choose your favorite spirit. Vodka or whiskey are popular choices. Don't forget optional garnishes like tangy seasoning for the rim or a small pickle slice for a finishing touch. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's mix. For each shot, combine equal parts pickle juice and your chosen spirit in a cocktail shaker. For example, 1 ounce of pickle juice with 1 ounce of vodka. Add a few ice cubes to the shaker, then seal it tightly and shake vigorously for about 10 to 15 seconds. This ensures your shot is perfectly chilled and well blended, creating a smooth and refreshing taste. To serve your pickle shots with flair, you can rim your shot glasses. Simply moisten the rim with a little extra pickle juice, then dip it into tangy seasoning for a zesty, spicy kick. Next, strain your well-chilled mixture from the shaker directly into the prepared shot glasses. For a classic presentation, garnish each shot with a small pickle chip or a gherkin. Serve immediately and enjoy. For the best pickle shot experience, always opt for high-quality dill pickle juice. It truly makes a difference in flavor. Don't be afraid to experiment with different spirits or even flavored vodkas, such as dill or jalapeno, to customize your shot. You can also try adding a dash of hot sauce for an extra kick. And for staying refreshed, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade pickle shots responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.